Okay, operation, okay? Wait, I'm cutting, okay? Are you okay, Nathan?
Yes.
Open your mouth. Okay. I'm cutting, okay? Doctor is checking your stomach. Sleep, okay? Okay. Okay. I'll give you an injection, okay? Injection. Is it pain? Is it pain? Sleep. Okay.
Uh-oh.
Somebody call an ambulance! Somebody call an ambulance! Somebody call fire engine! Wow! Oh my god, oh my god. Are you okay, Nathan? Oh my god, somebody help us. Help us, somebody help us. Oh my god. Are you okay, Nathan? Nathan, let me check. Are you okay? Open your mouth. Okay. Come on, let me check. Your eyes. Your nose. Open your mouth. Fine. Okay, now you are fine. Okay? You are fine and fit. Say thank you to doctor.
Thank you, Doctor.
Welcome, Nathan.